it is payback time because as you can see he goes to Krav Maga, which is like a self-defense class, and today he's dragging me at 8:30 on a Saturday for one of his classes. Self-defense against the husband. Today's class na is happening at Starbucks. Normally वहाँ पे नहीं होता है, so we'll see. Very embarrassing moment, but what the hell is this? So I figured why we're doing this class in a cafe. It's because if an attacker comes in a cafe, he could be anywhere, she could be anywhere. How you can use your self-defense in a scenario like this. So suppose, obviously Rustam is way taller than me and you are in a position, I'm also learning today, so we are together. But he's done this millions of times, so if he's coming, if he's coming from, you won't go all the way up. So then I have to block basically, maybe correct. You want to be able to block it somewhere, this part, for some reason that is. So you hit like that and so we're gonna try, okay? 1, 2, 3. 1. Okay, so ideally it should be to the face. I will show demonstrate for demonstration. 1, 2. Correct? Come. 1, 2. 1, 2. Now 1, 2. I have to admit this is actually really cool.
Yes, exactly. Yes. Good, very good. Hit. They got all the pressure. Exactly. Right, very good.
Like that,
Yeah,
right?
and then close and hammer. Go close, hammer. Hit. Hammer. Now elbow. Take up your band now. Hit it. Hit. Keep your hand movement. Keep your hand. Now strike. Go. And hit with this hand. Hit.
My right hand is so much more.
Okay, fine.
Now we're going to show you leg kicks. But the very important thing we said was basically once you do that, you technically scan the area. अगर exit हो तो वहाँ से भागने or else if you are in a cafe, pick up somebody's hot coffee and throw it on the attacker. So basically you do that and you scan, which is actually quite important, जो मैंने भी सोचा नहीं था. So I'll just show you what I have learned right now. And I'll take the camera थोड़ा नीचे यहाँ पे. So lock, push, then kick. अगर kick नहीं हुआ then you scan. यहाँ पे exit है वहाँ पे. So you either run or you just grab and basically move away. Now as far as the attacker is coming from नीचे. Same. This, kick, and then you move away because technically scan and move away because आजू बाजू में उसके accomplices हो सकते हैं and basically he will come back. So that's what they taught us. 1, 2, and kick and out. Last thing right now, how I'm doing that. Na actually, reality you want to go. In reality, you want to go boom in the face. Come here, so how I've been doing this all along. In reality, you want to like ऐसा मारना है. And now, now they're going to teach you, God forbid, somebody comes at you with a knife, how you can try and defend this. Boom. However, see, this is wrong. Actually, it should be boom, kick, and out. So, boom, kick, out. Just finished class and I have to admit I think I'm going to join this because really with the way the world is going, you never know when you might need something like this. It was fab. If you all want any details, I will ask them and let you all know.